Want to know how to create an agent or an AI bot that handles resources for your academics or your professional label as well in AgentGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in. So we have also created various videos regarding AgentGPT. So make sure to watch it. So once you're here, the leftmost side you should be saying templates right here. You can just simply select that. And now once you select the templates, you should be under the templates tab, and right here you can just simply search for it. So you can just simply search up research GPT, or you can just simply scroll and search for it here as well. So you can just simply select research GPT. Once it pops up, and you can just simply see it automatically as your prompt and your name as well. So you can also modify it by just simply typing it in and then selecting play, and your agent should be created. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.